Inspiring Swami Vivekananda quotes on success, youth and education. Swami Vivekananda, multi-skilled, well-known educator, Hindu monk, was born as Narendranath Datta in a privileged Bengali family in 1863. He introduced the concept of Vedanta and yoga to the Western world. Because of his exemplary work in bringing Hinduism to the status of a major world religion, he is viewed as a patriotic saint in India, and his birthday, January 12, is celebrated as National Youth Day. Inspiring Swami Vivekananda quotes, 3 golden rules. Who is helping you? Don't forget them. Who is loving you? Don't hate them. 1. Who is trusting you? Don't cheat them. 2. All differences in this world are of degree, and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. 3. Always try to represent yourself as happy. Initially, it becomes your look, gradually it becomes your habit, and finally it becomes your personality.